Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Cot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, kabala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ka MLA jong ka NPP na sutnga Saipung constituency ka Kong Santa Mary Shilla kalaong ba na do snam araja katsau ki Paidbah ka East Gentle Hills District ki dana pedeng ka Jingjakhom na do bakhang banti Dewiong pat kani kalakta ya ki hajar tli long yeng but wat hadien ba sorkar kalawan ra da ka scientific mining ru kalaong ba ka ki Paidbah ban sedang ya ka kam namar ba kata ka scientific mining ka lut Ksan chaba Palat bat kam ya hap hiru katkum ka jinglong jingman jong ka jaka kala thu ba ki Paidbah kila pharu da ka jingtho shaka sorkar ban pentip yakani ba kim kot bor ban le kumbala produk da ka sorkar baro shikata kala ong ba ki Paidbah ki ti Dewiong da ka pati thliu khnai bat ka kwa ba mentaru ki Paidbah ki kwa ba ka jingti Dewiong kan om dei than ka ba he ka jinglun.
As you know that Gentle Hills is fully dependent on coal. Directly, indirectly, we are all depending on coal. And as the government has already given 4 mining lists in the state and 2 in East Gentle Hills, of course there are holders with this coal mining, which we have already been received by the government. But our people in East Gentle Hills are facing a lot of problems financially. It's because after the 5th of February, that incident that happened there, we know that a lot of laws and orders are there, but still our people still are requesting the government to see and look into the loopholes in the East Gentle Hills and to fast track this scientific mining in East Gentle Hills. And not only with this present mining list that they have received, our people are already proposing the alternative, the alternative mining list that they can help the people to, as you know that the present mining list, it's an open cast. But now our people have proposed, they have sent memorandum to the Chief Minister, to both the Deputy Chief Minister to see the other alternative scientific mining for a low cost. So therefore our people are requesting that if they can, give the guidelines and, they urge the central government that they can see the other alternative of scientific mining so that people can start doing the mining in a legal way. Because of course coal mining has been not there for the past say maybe 20-25 years, maybe 50 years also, long time back. Traditional mining was never there. But what the meeting was there on 7th of April, the rally, what they had was that to urge the government to find another solution for scientific mining, not to open cast mining, as it is very expensive and it's not feasible for our area. Because since we have been practicing land hole mining for a very long time, and people are, they avail with that only, not other scientific mining. So therefore, our people they urge the government of Meghalaya and also the government of India that to take another alternative solution to open the coal mining in East Gentle Hills. Yes, it is affecting the livelihood of the people since 2014, as you know very well. But it's affecting now worse because it's like we're going back to 2014 now. Yes, it was going on with this legally, with challan and auction, all those things were there. But right now it's totally closed is because the government is following up the laws and order. And also the government has taken up, firstly, I think since this government since 2018 they have been trying for scientific mining in East Gentle Hills. They have also succeeded, but there are also demerits in a way that it's quite expensive. That is the only thing. Otherwise, it's fine for the government has done a lot actually, because they are trying to make everything, to legalize everything so that people not face problem even in the roads, anywhere as such. It will just go on as it is like before, so but in a legal way. So government has done it. They have already done the scientific mining, but there are demerits with this scientific mining since it's very expensive, and we our people had done that rally on the 7th of April. So they're asking for alternative solution for another scientific mining, so that this will not, the open cast mining may be the first one and the second one can be the other alternative scientific mining. That is there, the environmental destruction is there, but that was the first step that the government has taken. And then there are so many ways, there are so many different kinds of scientific mining. Could be that pillar kind of, I don't know what it called exactly. The pillar, the trainway, whichever. So many are there. There are so many category of scientific mining. So in that way, we have to see the best. We have to see the best solution. We have to see the low cost. We have to also look that the fastest that however the scientific mining can be bought in Eastern Hills.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ikashnong nongi kwayo sngo bahan ikashnong the lakot kalayat tikila pen sngo hinashnong iki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban pmi yaki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala ban wan kane kawai ka project bi ki don menta hang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kanungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni hakajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan let shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan let shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata, let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnot ngiru hangni shuaban take up yung project day ban shutu bakla habang warra yaki investment habang warra yaki bakum kini project net yang nga opi kabakaduk jing mantoy kanlong yangi ki kon samna.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.